Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to reset layout on your Adobe Premiere Pro. For example, if you messed up something like on your timeline or the source clips, if you messed up something right, something wrong, if you see something is not good, look layout, so you can reset easily. So for that, right, and I'm going to reset it. So it's a very simple option. Choose on window and go to workspaces. You can choose whatever options you want: assembly, audio, color, editing, effects you want to choose, and you can set it on to reset to save the layout. So once you give it right, see, it came back to normal. That's it. Go to window, workspaces, and click on this reset to save the layout. I'm in editing option, so reset to save layout. That's it. This is the way you can reset your layout. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye.